Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. Let's talk about eligibility criteria for MEO Class 2 exams. So minimum 12 months of approved sailing experience after completion of MEO Class 4 exams as a watchkeeping engineer on ships of 750 kilowatt power or more. So first thing is, after MEO Class 4 Part B exams, whatever a sailing period is, that will be counted. It should be minimum 12 months sea time and minimum 8 months propelling period. Now since you are going for MEO Class 2 exams, I hope you understand what is propelling period, right? The time the ship is sailing, it cannot be generally more than 75 to 80% of your total sea time. Copied. Second thing is, the ship's engine should be of more than 750 kilowatt. So आपके लिए जितने भी all the testimonials, sea time testimonials you have, those are very very important. The sailing experience can be either as a fourth engineer or as a third engineer, does not matter. But after MEO Class 4 Part B, 12 months. MEO Class 2 preparatory course, then once you have got this sea time, you come back home, you go for your Class 2 preparatory course of 4 months duration from a DG approved institute. So you do this preparatory course of 4 months, you get that certificate. Then you go for engine room simulator course management level from a DG approved institute. After that you do all the advanced level modular courses. Certificate should be valid when applying for MEO Class 2 exam. So all your advanced courses should be valid, just ensure that they are valid. Copied. So advanced course is valid, engine room simulator done, preparatory course done. जोर से बोलो जय माता दी. You are good to go. If you want to check whether you are eligible or not, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators. You will find professionals over here. In that you will find MEO class calculators. When you open this, you will find class 1, class 2, class 4 part B. You click on MEO class 2, put all your details, whether you are from steam engine, steam, motor or both. You will find whether you are eligible or not. Let's talk about process of MEO Class 2 examination. Without wasting any time, the first thing is 12 months sea time completion. Now if you want to really check whether your sea time is there, whether you have this sufficient number of propelling times or not, whether you are eligible to give MEO Class 2 exams or not, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators, go to professional site, go to MEO class eligibility calculator, click on the class 2 and then put all your details. You will find out whether you are eligible or not. So 12 months sea time, done. Go for MEO Class 2 preparatory course, 4 months course, go ahead, done. Certificate taken. Go for engine room simulator course. I think it's a 3-day course, done. Go to MMD, apply online, get MMD assessment done as per the checklist. Another video will be made on that, done. Then go for MEO Class 2 exams. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Advanced courses के अंदर if you want to know, advanced firefighting, proficiency in survival craft and rescue boats, medical first aid, engine room simulator. All these courses should be valid at the time of applying for valid MEO Class 2 exams. तो देख लो भाई valid है कि नहीं है, otherwise it's a problem. In case if you have not sailed on a vessel fitted with boiler like offshore vessels, then you need to do one more course, that is marine boiler and steam engineering course at operational level. Duration is 6 days. Since I was working on ships where we had boilers, so I never did this course. But if you do not have boilers and you have been working on offshore vessels, you have to do this course as well. Copied. Assessment process क्या है ये जान लेते हैं. So first thing is complete MEO Class 2 preparatory course plus engine room simulator course. Update your DGS governance profile. Apply for assessment on DG website. इसके लिए हम अलग से separate video बनेगा. Do not worry. Fill up all the necessary details and pay the fee. Done. Document verification by MMD and seat booking for exams. Copied. So this is the whole process that has to be followed. At all the details will be helping you. If you want to know the all complete details about assessment, what all things you have to do, how to apply for assessment, जो भी questions आपके, then Merchant Navy Decoded has made their own course for MEO Class 2 people. Go do that course. It's a small course with 10 to 12, 15 videos, but your every question about MEO Class 2 will be answered over there. The link for the eligibility calculator as well as for the free MEO Class 2 course is in the description box. All I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. And yes, assessment checklist तो देख लो यार. This is your assessment checklist. So in this checklist you can see कि भैया checklist इसका भी link, the link for the assessment checklist is also in the description box. And in this checklist you will find, okay, if I have to apply, I need to have copy of CDC including relevant page of sea service. I have to have copy of passport, copy of Indus certificate, copy of MEO Class 4, original sea service letter issued by owner of the vessel RPSL. उनके letters होने चाहिए. फिर उसके अलावा कॉपी ऑफ आर्टिकल ऑफ एग्रीमेंट इफ यू आर इंडियन फॉर इंडियन शिप वेसल्स, देन कॉपी ऑफ प्रिपरेटरी कोर्स भैया आपने किया 4 months का, प्रिंट आउट ऑफ सीफेयरर्स प्रोफाइल टू बी रिटर्न्ड आफ्टर वेरिफिकेशन, डन. copy of valid medical certificate from DG approved doctor, evidence of fees paid, done, and documents to be shown and taken away, please fill in the certificate number, and साथ में you fill the certificate number and shoot over here, sign, give it, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. So these are the things. So assessment की जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, where a separate video will be coming in detail as well, तो उसके अंदर क्या है, CDC including relevant pages, what all typed about it is mentioned over here. तो यहाँ पर आपको CDC चाहिए, but with all the C service pages over here. Passport copy of first two and last two pages, copied. Validity page of RPSL number issued by the company. C service testimonials, all for advanced courses that they are valid, right? MEO class 4 COC, Engine Simulator course, preparatory course certificate, PSCRB certificate and all the advanced course certificate, right? Valid medical certificate, C FIRS profile updated, total fees is around 11,050 rupees. Original C service letter issued by the owner of vessel RPSL already discussed. Online fee printout भी चाहिए आपको. Let's talk about MEO class 2 exams. Let us know a bit about them. So 6 written exams again. Marine engineering knowledge general exam, marine engineering knowledge motor. So general का exam होगा, motor का एक exam होगा. Marine electrotechnology 1 exam, marine engineering practice 1 exam, naval architecture 1 exam, ship safety and environmental protection care, that is safety exam 1 exam. So total 6 written exams. Out of 100 marks, 50% is compulsory for passing. Copied. In the next video, I'll talk about tips and tricks to clear those written exams. But these are the 6 written exams that you are going to give. Next, 4 orals you are going to give. Function 3 is naval architecture and safety, controlling the operation of the ship and caring for persons on board. So ये function 3 का नाम है. Function 4B is marine engineering knowledge, motor in general, 1 oral. Function 5 is marine electrotechnology, electrical. Function 6 is marine engineering practice. तो ये 4 orals रहेंगे. Passing percentage is 60% over here. So you are giving these orals above 60%. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata, you pass. So once you clear these 6 writtens and these 4 orals, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata, you get MEO class 2 COC. So out here, if you take out from the DG Shipping website, so this is what is given. For MEO class 2 part A, this is not important, mechanic. So because we are not talking about MEO class 2 part A, we are talking MEO class 2 part B. We are going to talk about this exam, that is general. This is motor. Then we are talking about electrotechnology written. Then we are talking about marine practice written. Then we are talking naval architecture written. Then we are talking about safety written. So written में 3 घंटे का exam, 100 marks, maximum passing point is 50. So around 9 questions comes, you have to attempt 6 questions. ठीक है, अच्छे से करो. In next video, I'm going to talk about tips and tricks and what all things you have to remember, what I remembered during my time. So apart from that, orals. So general motor का एक ही oral you can see over here, 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. Electrical technology 1 oral, 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. MEP 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. And similarly for safety, 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. जो लोग MEO class 4 part A दिया, then part B दिया, then they are giving MEO class 2 part A, they have to go for these exams as well. No oral for that. How to prepare for MEO class 2 COC exams? Where to find previous year papers? When you should start your preparation and how much time is enough? These are the 3 questions. Now the PPT that has been made, with some points I agree, with some points I do not agree. I'll share it with you. So how to prepare written के अंदर past year papers. Now this is very very important. If you can do the previous 1 year past year questions, लगभग a lot of questions are repeated or come from the similar pattern. So at least previous 1 year questions have to be done in a very good way. Second thing is practice diagrams. Now there was a thumb rule when I was giving my written exams, and one thing I can say proudly, that is I cleared all my writtens whether for class 4, class 2, class 1 in first attempt. Orals was a different ball game altogether. Class 4 1 attempt, class 2 3 attempts. There will be a reason I will be sharing in the another video for class 2 series. Class 1 2 attempts. So when I talk about why I could clear written exams in the first attempt, there was one big reason. First of all, my writing was very good. Second thing is I ensured that my writing was very good. Second thing was I made a lot of diagrams. Now survey is checking a lot of things out here. It is difficult to read each and everything. With the diagram it is very easy for him to understand that this guy understand. Similarly, doing all the numericals that are coming in the written exams, that is also because written में exams में if numerical is there and if it is correct you get full marks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So passing becomes very easy. So practice diagrams. Even if a question is not asking diagram, make one, present one. That is very important. उसके अलावा like they said ना, always draw diagrams, even not ask mention in the question. Yes. Frame answer in your own words. Don't copy paste and write it. This is another very very important thing. नेवर एवर ये नहीं कि जो लिखा है वही कॉपी करते, राइट इन ओन वर्ड्स, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, थ्योरी आपने पढ़ी हुई है, बट इफ यू राइट इन ओन वर्ड्स इट विल ऑलवेज बी बेटर. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ओरल्स. आजकल में इतने सारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, ज्वाइन वन वेयर द मैक्सिमम पीपल आर देयर, एंड और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली मेनी पीपल आर एक्टिव इन दैट ग्रुप. Copy, that is one of the most important thing. And see what all is going on in the market. Say you have decided to give exam from Kochi, then join the Telegram group where people from Kochi are giving exams, right? So that you can know, अच्छा Kochi में exam हो रहा है, this is the surveyor, I have to prepare this way. If it is happening online and any surveyor from any place can take, then it's a different ball game. Then you have to be everywhere. But knowing your interviewer, the place you are giving interview is very, very important. Collecting the data is very important because there is huge sum. The syllabus is huge. You do not know what interviewer is going to ask, what kind of mood he is going to be. So be active in those Telegram groups, write down those questions book and prepare them that way. Watch for others answer also. It may include some info that you are not aware of. Not. So what others are answering, that is also, and be active and you also answer, because some people they avoid answering, अरे यार मैं क्यों करूँ, I do not have time. But when you answer, you realize. Some people will tell you, no, this is correct, this is wrong. So you also get to know. So that is why being active on Telegram at least for an hour in a day is very, very important. The syllabus is vast and there is a lot of study material available. So along with the studies, discussing questions is very, very important. I still remember during my MEO class 1 exams, क्वेश्चन ये था कि मेरी बहन की शादी थी. आई वॉज नॉट देयर प्रिपेयरिंग विद माई बैचमेट्स ओवर देयर. सो एवरी डे आई यूज्ड टू बी ऑन अ कॉल विद 3 or 4 फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन, एंड वी शुड डिस्कस. आज बंकर मैनेज कन्वेंशन डिस्कस किया, आज ये डिस्कस किया, आज वो डिस्कस किया, एंड इट हेल्प बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग यू लर्न दैट वे ऑल्सो. So that is why forming a common discussion group and every day for 1 hour discussing things, that is very, very important. I feel that is where the community role comes into play. Copied. Where to find previous year questions? Now this is from my team. I am not very sure and I do not take any accountability. Why? One is Dieselship website. For free you get only questions. With payment you get questions with answers as well. Very soon I promise you, even Merchant Navy Decoded is going to provide you all these things. Copied. Second is download Marine Samraj app for latest updates with latest previously asked questions. So you can get all these questions papers over here as well. Copied. And very soon Merchant Navy Decoded is going to provide all these question papers on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. Where should you start your preparation from and how much time is enough? Well guys, I do not agree with this point. As I said at the starting of the video, that minimum 1 month before the exam, spend at least 8 hours daily in preparation plus revision. यार ये सब ना, this is a very subjective matter. कि कोई 8 घंटे पढ़ता है. I've seen some of my friends studying for 4 hours, but they were very, very focused, and those 4 hours were very much enough for them. And there were people like me who were slogging all the time. 8 hours studying, but बीच में फ़ोन चल रहा है, कभी sometimes talking to दोस्तों से, कभी बात हो रही है, you know, special friends. So studying for 8 hours, but net result was only for 2 hours. And writing is very important. Write, practice. Even for orals, write down the pointers. Make your notes. Pointers, small pointers. अच्छा, ISM के 12 pointers, छोटे से इतनी पतली copy. Make those notes so that at the last moment you can just revise those small booklet. कहानी खत्म, job is done. But the best point that you can do is you can start the day you have done your first sailing as a MEO class 4 part B guy. You have sailed for 4th year, 1 contract. You know, after 2nd contract you have to give your MEO class 2 exams. Buy MEO class 2 package at Merchant Navy Decoded. Like we have created MEO class 4 package, excellence package, MEO class 1 excellence package. MEO class 2 package will be coming very soon. If it is there, you can check in the description box or in the comment section. If it is there, it is your jackpot. Because on board second ship, you can watch those videos. You can start making notes there and then itself. It will help you with your class 2 preparation, yaar. Why to wait? Come and do that preparatory course. You'll be one step ahead. And that is where these recorded classes plus community of Merchant Navy Decoded is going to help you. Copied, guys. Last but not the least, as I told you, MEO class 2 packages might be coming soon. But अगर आपको MEO class 2 के बारे में you want to have all the information that is needed, the best way that you can have is कि go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to professional section, there is a free course over there, go to MEO class 2 free course, link is in the description box, watch all the videos. Knowledge is the key. You will have all the information and open the lock to success. Copied, guys. If you want to check whether you are eligible for MEO class 2 or not, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators, go to eligibility calculator for MEO class, click on the class 2 button and fill your details, find out whether you are eligible or not. I hope you like this video. It is informative. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.